Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the simplest and the best Alfredo pasta ever, but we're going to use Alfredo sauce, feta cheese, and tomatoes. I know what you're gonna say, but that's not gonna be good, but it actually tastes very good. This recipe is perfect if you're short on time because you can make this sauce in under 10 minutes. Seriously, under 10 minutes. It's so fast because right now it's summer. All my kids are home and they get hungry all the time, and I don't have time to stay in the kitchen and cook all day. So I like to make this recipe. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will show you how to make it. Let's begin by adding the olive oil to the pan, then the chopped onions, the minced garlic. Saute until the onions are translucent. This will take about 1 minute. Then add your cherry tomatoes. Give it a good stir and cook the tomatoes until very soft. You don't have to stir it the whole time, but as soon as you can see that they're starting to soften, use a wooden spoon to smash them. I like to smash my tomatoes because I don't really like chewing on the whole tomato, but if you guys like it, then don't smash it. You can now season it with black pepper. I really like black pepper. Give it a good stir and continue smashing the tomatoes. You want the sauce to be soft and a little pasty. Then add a half cup of heavy cream, followed by the chicken broth or pasta water, whichever you have in hand. Then mix it well. Add the crumbled feta cheese. The feta cheese is kinda like the secret ingredient of this recipe. It's going to make it taste so good. Then reduce the heat to low and keep stirring it until you see that the cheese is starting to melt. This will take about 1 minute or so. You can now add any of your favorite jarred Alfredo sauce. I use the Newman Alfredo sauce. Then keep stirring. As you can see, we're starting to have a white creamy sauce, a little pinkish from the tomatoes, but looks amazing already. This is the start of a good sauce. Let's season it with a little bit of salt because we don't want the sauce to be bland. I added more black pepper again. Then stir, stir, stir. There's a lot of stirring in this recipe for sure. But it's all part of the fun, right? We're at the final part now, so let's add the cooked penne pasta or whatever pasta you have. And again, let's keep stirring because we want the pasta to be well coated with the sauce. Combining it will only take about 3 minutes, so it's not long at all. So this is what it's going to look like. It looks amazing, huh? Then garnish it with chopped parsley and grated Parmesan cheese and voila! So good. Can't stop eating it. So I'm done making the recipe. This is how it looks like. It's so rich, creamy, and it's so good. I can eat so many of this, so much or so many. And this is not gonna be a healthy recipe, I tell you that, but it's going to be so flavorful. It's a little bit acidic from the tomatoes and from the feta cheese, but it tastes so good. I think you guys are going to like this recipe a lot. All right, hey, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It's going to help me a lot. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. Bye.